Are you looking for the best monitor sizes for gaming? In this video we will look at some of the best monitor sizes for gaming on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. ASUS ROG Swift OLED PG27 UCDM. For most people, the best gaming monitor size is 27 inches, as it's very popular and common. It's a good choice if you want an immersive gaming experience without taking up too much space. You can find them from basic 1080p displays to high-resolution 4K screens, so there's something to choose from, no matter the type of gamer you are. Monitors of this size are also available with high refresh rates, including above 500 Hz. The ASUS ROG Swift OLED PG27 UCDM is the best 27-inch gaming monitor we've tested. It has a 4K resolution and a 240 Hz refresh rate, making it outstanding for PC gaming. Thanks to its near-instantaneous response time, it delivers extremely sharp motion, so there's no blur behind fast-moving objects. Its QD-OLED panel also provides outstanding picture quality with vivid colors and deep blacks in dark rooms, ideal for HDR gaming. It has USB-C connectivity and a KVM switch, making it easy to multitask with different computers, too. There are lower-end, cheaper models available, like the ASUS ROG Strix OLED XG27 ACD&G, a QD OLED with a lower 1440p resolution, and the Corvius 2741LM, which uses mini LED backlighting and gets brighter. However, neither offers the same high-end features and performance as the PG27 UCDM. At number 2. ASUS ROG Strix OLED XG32 UCWMG. If you want something bigger than a 27-inch monitor for more screen space, the best gaming monitor size for your needs is a 32-inch display. This monitor size is growing in popularity and availability, and there are plenty of options with high 4K resolutions. These are versatile for both PC and console gamers as they tend to include high-bandwidth ports to take full advantage of the latest consoles and graphics cards. However, there aren't as many good budget-friendly displays in this size, so it's better to go for a smaller display if you're on a tighter budget. If you want the best 32-inch gaming monitor, check out the ASUS ROG Strix OLED XG32 UCWMG. It's a premium model that's ideal for both PC and console gaming, thanks to its high refresh rate and resolution. It provides outstanding picture quality on its OLED display, with bright highlights and deep blacks in any environment. It also has a glossy coating that results in clear images. While its native 240 Hz refresh rate is great for PC gaming, it has a dual mode feature that increases the refresh rate to 480 Hz with a 1080p resolution. This makes it versatile for playing different types of games. If you don't need that, the ASUS ROG Swift OLED PG32 UCDM is another great option with a QD OLED panel that has more vivid colors, but its blacks look purple in bright rooms. At number 3. ASUS ROG Swift OLED PG34 WCDN. Although there are bigger screens than 32 inches that maintain a 16:9 aspect ratio, these monitors are less common. Instead, 34-inch displays with a 21:9 aspect ratio, known as ultra-wide, are more popular and easier to find. Most ultra-wide displays of this size have a 3440 by 1440 resolution. This size is best suited for immersive games, as you can see more at once than on narrower displays, even if there's less physical screen space on a 34-inch ultra-wide than on a 32-inch, 16:9 display. The best 34-inch ultra-wide gaming monitor we've tested is the ASUS ROG Swift OLED PG34 WCDN. It's an amazing gaming monitor with a QD OLED panel. It delivers both a fast response time and remarkable picture quality. It also has a fast 360 Hz refresh rate that's ideal for playing competitive games, offering a smooth feel. Plus, it uses a newer Gen QD OLED panel compared to the ASUS ROG Swift OLED PG27 UCDM that gets brighter, making it the better choice for well-lit rooms. It doesn't have a purple tint in bright rooms, either, but blacks still look gray in ambient lighting. This monitor is expensive, though, so you can check out the Dell Alienware AW3425DW if you want a cheaper option. That said, it has a lower refresh rate and isn't as bright as the PG34 WCDN. At number 4. LG 39G x 950B-B. While most gaming monitors are available with 34-inch screens or smaller, a handful of models have larger screen sizes, mainly in the 39 to 49-inch range. Not all large monitors are the same, though. Still, they're great if you want an immersive gaming experience, have space for such a large screen, and your budget allows for these premium models. They're also good alternatives to a multi-monitor setup. While the market for bigger displays is limited, it's growing with more models coming out. If you want a 39-inch or bigger monitor, then the LG 39G x950B-B is a fantastic choice. It sits in between smaller 34-inch and larger 45-inch displays in the market, offering a sweet spot between size and comfort. It has a high 5K 2K resolution, resulting in high pixel density and sharp image and text clarity. It has a native 165Hz refresh rate with this 5K 2K resolution, and you can boost it to 330Hz with a lower 1080p resolution, so it's versatile for playing different types of games. Like any OLED, motion looks sharp and it displays deep blacks with bright highlights. It also has a tandem OLED panel that gets bright enough to fight some glare. If you want bigger options, you can also check out the 45-inch LG 45G x950A-B or the 49-inch Super Ultrawide Samsung Odyssey OLED G9/G95 Please check the product link below the description, but they're expensive and have lower pixel density. At number 5. Dell Alienware AW2523HF. If any of the recommended sizes above are too big for your needs, there are some smaller options you can consider. The smallest size you can get now for modern gaming monitors is 24 to 25 inches. Getting a monitor of this size is ideal if you don't have the desk space for a 27-inch display. It's also helpful if you want to see everything within your field of vision without moving your eyes too much. Gaming options in this size tend to have high refresh rates with a 1080p resolution, which makes them ideal for competitive gaming. Plus, the low resolution isn't too demanding on your graphics card either. The best 25-inch monitor we've tested is the Dell Alienware AW2523HF. Like most monitors in this size range, it's meant for esports gaming as it has a high 360Hz refresh rate and VRR support to reduce screen tearing. It has a consistently fast response time at any refresh rate, so fast-moving objects look sharp, but there's more blur than on higher-end OLEDs. Please subscribe to our channel. It doesn't cost much either, but if you're on a tighter budget, the LG 24GS65FB is a decent entry-level and cheap 24-inch monitor, but it has a lower 180Hz refresh rate.